Nokia is about to launch another amazing smartphone in the market. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone in the mid-budget range, then this Nokia phone could be your best bet. Because, according to leaks, it's rumored to come with a 150-megapixel DSLR level camera and a powerful 7000 mAh battery. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Shark 5G smartphone. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So, let's start. Features of the Nokia Shark 5G. Display. This smartphone is expected to flaunt a 6.75-inch Full HD+ Super AMOLED display, protected by Gorilla Glass 7. On top of that, it's likely to feature a 120 Hz refresh rate and a 290 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. And of course, you'll also get an in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, this phone is rumored to pack a triple camera setup with a whopping 150-megapixel primary sensor. Alongside that, you might get a 32-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 16-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, there could be a 64-megapixel front camera to capture stunning, high-resolution selfies. Battery backup. Now, let's talk about the beast inside, the 7000 mAh battery. With this kind of power, you could easily use the phone for 2-3 days on a single charge. And guess what? It might also support 90-watt fast charging, meaning you'll spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is expected to run on the latest Android 15 OS, ensuring a smooth and up-to-date experience. And powering it all could be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, making it a performance monster for gaming, multitasking, and more. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $500, but we'll have to wait for the official launch to confirm. Speaking of which, the Nokia Shark 5G is likely to debut in early 2026.